Stop overpaying. Brainy Buyer's head-to-head comparison mean you save. Like what you see? Subscribe and fund the fight for honest reviews.
So we're checking out the DeLonghi Eletta, right? The ECAM 4466OB model. It's a super-automatic espresso machine, promising barista-quality drinks at home.
And I'm looking at the Philips 4400 series, specifically the EP4000 444/90ths. Also, a fully automatic espresso machine, but this one boasts about making both hot and iced coffees. Interesting start.
Let's dive in and see what's what. The DeLonghi boasts a one-touch LatteCrema system for cappuccinos and lattes. They say it delivers barista-quality drinks in under 3 minutes. Sounds fancy, but does it deliver?
The Philips has a LatteGo milk system, which they say is really easy to clean, like in under 10 seconds. That's a huge selling point for me. Plus, it can froth plant-based milk, which is great for non-dairy drinkers.
Oh, cleaning is key. The DeLonghi has automatic cleaning programs, including descaling, cleaning, and rinsing. But it sounds like some parts are not dishwasher safe, so that's something to consider.
The Philips uses an AquaClean filter, and apparently you can brew up to 5,000 cups before needing to descale. That's a lot of coffee. It also comes with guided descaling, so it walks you through the process.
Wow, that is impressive. I see the DeLonghi can brew 2 cups at once and has a silent grinder with 13 adjustable settings. Good for dialing in the perfect grind.
The Philips also freshly grinds beans and has ceramic grinders, which Philips claims are better because they won't overheat the beans. It offers 12 grind settings and 5 aroma strength options, so lots of customization there too. It also has silent brew technology, so it's supposedly 40% quieter than previous models. Important if you're making coffee early in the morning and don't want to wake the whole house.
The DeLonghi has a double boiler system, electronic temperature control, and even a cup warmer. That cup warmer is a nice touch for keeping your espresso at the perfect temperature.
The Philips has a quick start function for instant coffee. Plus, as we mentioned, it makes iced coffee as well as hot and offers 12 different coffee drinks. That's a lot of variety.
I don't think the DeLonghi does iced coffee, but you can use either coffee beans or ground coffee. So if you have pre-ground coffee on hand, you're not stuck only using beans.
That's convenient. The Philips offers 12 different coffee varieties, which is a lot. From a ristretto to an iced Americano, it has a ton of options.
The DeLonghi has adjustable water, milk, and coffee quantity, so you can really tailor each drink to your liking.
So does the Philips. You can even save your preferences in 2 user profiles, which is great for households with multiple coffee drinkers.
The DeLonghi weighs a hefty 24.2 pounds, so it's not exactly portable. And it's a bit bigger overall, so make sure you have the counter space.
The Philips is lighter at 17.63 pounds and a bit more compact. So if space is a concern, that's something to consider. Seems like both are solid choices. It really comes down to personal preference.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.